I've discovered 6 Google certifications that can lead to lucrative employment opportunities. And the best part is, you can start taking them right away. Google, being one of the most influential companies globally, has made these certifications accessible to everyone. The rationale behind this move is that these certifications cover skills and roles that both Google and other major tech firms struggle to fill. Consequently, there's a high demand for professionals with these skill sets, but a shortage of qualified individuals. To address this gap, Google introduced these certifications. Let's delve into the top certifications in this video, along with essential details about each of them. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Let's kick off with the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, which sits at the top of our list. Cybersecurity stands out as a field where demand is exceptionally high. We often hear about companies falling victim to cyber attacks, resulting in significant financial losses or data breaches. Considering that data is often regarded as more valuable than oil or gold, it's no surprise that hackers continuously target it. Consequently, there's a considerable demand for cybersecurity professionals, yet a shortage of qualified candidates to fill these roles. This certificate aims to address that gap. As per the program, it typically takes around 6 months to complete, assuming a commitment of 7 hours per week. However, feedback from various sources indicates that completion often occurs much sooner, typically within 1 to 3 months, even with part-time dedication. The course guides participants through various modules covering essential aspects of cybersecurity. Additionally, it emphasizes the importance of building a portfolio, which serves as a crucial asset in the tech industry. While many tech roles may not necessitate a formal degree or prior experience, a robust portfolio serves as tangible evidence of one's skills. Upon completion, a plethora of job opportunities becomes available. Entry-level positions, such as junior security analysts, offer salaries ranging from $51,000 to $81,000 annually. Moving up the ladder, roles like Security Operations Center operators earn between $45,000 to $72,000 per year. Mid-level positions, including cybersecurity analysts or cybersecurity incident responders, boast salaries ranging from $67,000 to $132,000 and $84,000 to $117,000, respectively. At the senior level, roles like Director of Cybersecurity offer impressive annual salaries ranging from $217,000 to $369,000. These figures underscore the significant earning potential within the cybersecurity field, even for entry-level positions. With experience and skill development, there's ample opportunity for growth. Moreover, numerous companies across various industries actively seek professionals with expertise in cybersecurity. In summary, the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate presents an exceptional opportunity for individuals seeking to enter or advance within the cybersecurity domain. It represents a valuable investment in one's career, offering the potential for lucrative roles and substantial professional growth. Additionally, the course is hosted on Coursera, ensuring convenient accessibility. Google UX Design Professional Certificate. Now, let's transition to the following certification, which is the Google UX Design Professional Certificate. UX, which stands for User Experience, revolves around crafting the interface that users engage with on websites or software. This facet plays a pivotal role in determining the success of a product. Consider this scenario. Have you ever grappled with navigating through software, constantly requiring technical assistance? Conversely, have you encountered products that are intuitive and user-friendly, requiring minimal guidance? Such user-friendly products tend to retain users for extended periods. Similarly, well-designed websites enhance the user experience, facilitating easy navigation and engagement. Hiring proficient UX designers is crucial for developing such products and websites, and this certificate equips individuals with the requisite skills. The certificate program is projected to take 6 months to complete, with approximately 10 hours of weekly commitment. However, participant feedback indicates that it often requires much less time, typically 1 to 3 months. Upon completion, numerous career paths become accessible, each offering lucrative salaries. Entry-level roles such as UX design interns offer annual salaries ranging from $55,000 to $93,000. Digital design interns can earn between $46,000 to $78,000 annually. Progressing further, mid-level positions like UI/UX designers command salaries ranging from $70,000 to $120,000 per year. At the senior level, lead UX designers boast impressive salaries ranging from $107,000 to $175,000 per year. These salaries are quite substantial, especially considering that UX design primarily entails artistic skills, which are typically less financially rewarding. Many individuals have achieved success with this certificate, as evidenced by the plethora of positive reviews and testimonials available online. This certification presents yet another outstanding opportunity for career advancement. Moving along, we have the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate, which is yet another free offering. Although some courses on Coursera necessitate payment for certification and additional perks, this one comes at no cost. However, individuals aiming to obtain the certificate and unlock supplementary benefits may opt to pay Coursera, typically priced at $49 per month. Similar to the UX Design Certificate, this program also spans approximately 6 months for completion, with a weekly commitment of 10 hours. Nevertheless, it frequently concludes in a shorter duration, typically within 1 to 3 months, as per self-reported data. Digital marketing encompasses a spectrum of online marketing activities, including advertising on platforms like YouTube and Google, SEO optimization, and content creation. Job opportunities in this realm range from social media coordinators and e-commerce customer service representatives to digital marketing specialists and e-commerce marketing managers. Salaries for these roles fluctuate, with entry-level positions offering around $40,000 to $58,000 annually and senior-level roles reaching up to $246,000 per year. Given the high demand for digital marketing skills, there are abundant opportunities both in traditional employment and freelancing. Many companies spanning diverse industries actively seek professionals proficient in this domain. Freelancers can also leverage their skills, commanding substantial rates for their services. In summary, the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate offer a promising route to career advancement, whether through conventional employment, freelancing, or entrepreneurial pursuits. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Up next is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, which happens to be one of my top 3 favorite Google certifications. I deliberately saved the best 3 for last, and this one starts off the trio. The program is designed to be completed in approximately 6 months, with a commitment of 10 hours per week. However, based on self-reported data, many individuals complete it within 1 to 3 months, and some even finish it faster. Data analytics skills are incredibly valuable in today's job market, as there is a high demand for roles involving data analysis. However, to secure such positions, individuals must possess the necessary skills and be able to demonstrate them effectively. This certificate program provides participants with the opportunity to study online and develop a portfolio showcasing their skills. Entry-level positions in this field include data entry analysts and data support analysts, with salaries ranging from $36,000 to $52,000 annually. Mid-level roles such as data analysts and business intelligence analysts offer higher salaries ranging from $66,000 to $115,000 annually. More senior-level positions, like lead data analysts, boast salaries ranging from $113,000 to $170,000 per year. Numerous companies actively recruit for data-related roles, making this certificate an excellent investment for career advancement. Moving on to another one of my top 3 favorites, we have the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. This certification was among the first to be launched when Google partnered with Coursera, and it quickly gained immense popularity, with millions of individuals completing the program. The course is structured to be completed in 6 months, with 10 hours of study per week. However, anecdotal evidence suggests that some participants have managed to complete it in as little as 7 to 10 days, although realistically, it can be finished within a few weeks to a few months. Like all Google certificates, this program is beginner-friendly and has received outstanding reviews. Entry-level positions accessible with this certificate include help desk technicians and desktop support representatives, offering salaries ranging from $44,000 to $57,000 annually. Mid-level roles like IT support analysts and systems administrators offer higher salaries, ranging from $53,000 to $120,000 annually. Senior-level positions such as IT directors of operations boast salaries ranging from $175,000 to $278,000 per year. Many companies actively recruit for these positions, making this certificate an excellent choice for individuals looking to enter the IT field or advance their careers. Now let's delve into the Google Project Management Professional Certificate, which also happens to be among my top 3 favorites. Project management involves overseeing the planning, execution, and risk management of a project within a company. Essentially, it's akin to being a mini entrepreneur with training wheels. You'll need to possess knowledge in various areas, such as marketing, sales, and product management, while also demonstrating strong leadership skills. Depending on your personality, this multifaceted role could be seen as an exciting challenge or a source of stress. Nevertheless, for those who thrive on challenges, this certificate program offers an excellent opportunity for growth. The program is structured to be completed in 6 months with a weekly commitment of 10 hours. However, in practice, most participants find that they can finish it within 1 to 3 months. While this certificate is highly regarded, it's worth noting that there are other certifications to consider, such as the CAPM, so it's essential to conduct thorough research. Upon completion, individuals can pursue various entry-level positions, such as project coordinators or project manager trainees, with salaries ranging from $44,000 to $84,000 annually. Mid-level roles like project managers or program managers offer higher salaries, ranging from $77,000 to $140,000 annually. Additionally, roles such as project management consultants offer salaries ranging from $11,000 to $164,000 annually. At the senior level, positions like head of PMO boast salaries ranging from $161,000 to $248,000 per year. As you can see, this certificate opens up numerous opportunities at different career levels, offering competitive salaries from the outset and the potential for even greater earnings as you progress. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.